Mastering the art of document editing in Pandadoc is crucial for keeping your professional communications sharp and effective. This tutorial will guide you through modifying and refining your existing documents within Pandadoc, ensuring your content is always accurate and polished. First, let's dive into making text changes once your document is open in Pandadoc. You'll notice that most text areas are directly editable. Simply click on the text you wish to alter. As you can see, the text immediately updates. You have full control to correct typos, rephrase sentences, or add new information directly within the same space. It's as simple as typing in any word processor. Beyond just text, refining your document's appearance is just as straightforward. Look for the formatting toolbar that typically appears above or alongside your editable text fields. Here, you can easily apply common formatting options like bold, italics, or underline to emphasize key points. Simply select the text you want to format and click the corresponding icon in the toolbar. You also have the ability to change font styles and sizes to match your brand guidelines, or improve readability. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to find what works best for your document. Color adjustments are also at your fingertips, allowing you to highlight important sections or maintain brand consistency. Choose from a palette of colors to make your document visually appealing. Moving content around is just as intuitive. You can select entire blocks of text or paragraphs and drag them to a new location within the document to reorganize the flow of information. If your document contains dynamic fields, such as recipient information or pricing tables, editing these is done through dedicated field controls. Clicking on a field will usually open a sidebar or modal window where you can input or modify its specific content. By mastering these essential editing skills in Pandadoc, you can ensure your proposals, contracts, and other important documents are always professional, up-to-date, and perfectly polished.